Scooter versus car carrier. Let me tell you what really happened. Hi, I'm Chris Jacobs with Kalfus Nachman. I represent victims of negligence every single day as a litigation attorney. I represented a fellow who was riding his scooter down the roadway. A commercial car carrier passed him and made a right-hand turn, causing him to be gravely injured. The man on the scooter, he had no chance. The car carrier, he was negligent in every way, but he denied every bit of responsibility and every bit of accountability. We filed suit against him, we went to the scene, we videoed the scene, and we proved that the driver of that car carrier was negligent and reckless when he passed the scooter and immediately turned in front of him, causing the man on the scooter to be injured. We pursued it in every way, we picked up every bit of evidence necessary, and we got the man on the scooter the compensation he deserved. Why am I telling you this? You may have been riding a scooter and injured. You may have been a victim of a truck turning wide in front of you. We're here to help you. We will get every bit of evidence we can and prove your case. Call me, Chris Jacobs at Kalfus Nachman, 888-HELPLINE. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching.